In this video, we are going to take a tour of one of our Deer Valley homes. We call this home the K-Rose 2. As you can see here in the floor plan, the K-Rose 2 is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 3,120 square foot home. To say that this home is huge is definitely an understatement. This home is so large, we had to get out the drone for some real aerial footage. As we get a little closer, notice just how massive this home really is. The K-Rose 2 is loaded with high-end features both inside and outside. This home can be customized and built as a 5-bedroom or even a 6-bedroom home. We can also do a full basement under this home, doubling the square footage to a whopping 6,240 square feet. This home can be built as either a manufactured home or a modular home. This home is fully customizable both inside and outside. As we go from the beautiful front porch to the inside of the K-Rose 2, notice the beautiful laminate flooring. Also, as we move through the home, notice the floor vents are strategically located along the perimeter of the home, outside of high traffic areas, and out of the way of furniture placement. You also have the option to have the vents moved from the floor to the ceiling if you prefer. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. As we move through the home, notice the half bathroom is strategically located just off of the living room and the coat closet for your guests' convenience. Another thing you will notice as we move around the home is the incredible amount of storage space this home has to offer. From the large coat closet by the front door to the incredibly large closets and cabinets throughout the home, this home really does have a lot of storage space. As we move back around into the living room area, you will notice several very nice amenities. The living room is equipped with a built-in electric fireplace and a decorative wood slat feature wall and a ceiling fan with a light kit for added comfort. This home is not only big, but it really does have some incredible features. As you can see here in the kitchen, it is huge. It is very functional and loaded with higher end features. This kitchen features an extra large island with modern overhead lighting. The kitchen comes with a large number of beautiful cabinets. These heavy built, soft close, quiet cabinets feature full extension, dovetail maple drawers that deliver quality of motion and convenience throughout the entire home. If you are enjoying this video, please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes and for more great home tours. Also, please let us know what you like about this home or what you would like to add to this home in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. As you can see, here in the kitchen, you have some elegant tile backsplash for an added touch of class. All of your kitchen appliances are shown here in stainless steel, but there are many color options available for you to choose from. You also have a very large walk-in pantry with plenty of shelving for extra storage. The pantry is just to the left of the back door that walks out onto the built-in back porch. As we walk around, notice the beautiful flooring color. This is just one of many different colors you can choose from. You can choose from a variety of different tile, laminate, carpet, hardwood, and more. This home features 2x6 exterior sidewalls versus your typical site-built home having a 2x4 exterior wall. This improves both the energy efficiency due to having R19 rather than R11 in the walls, and it also strengthens the home structure. This home also features a very large dining room just off the kitchen for added convenience. Our K-Rose 2 is also built with spruce lumber construction rather than pine. What does that mean? Spruce is a harder wood than pine and it performs better. This home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. That not only strengthens the structure of the home, but it also helps with the fit and finish of the home by keeping the walls, ceilings, and floors a little more square. As we move into the family room, notice the very large size. The family room also has a ceiling fan with a light kit for added comfort. We have this room shown in comfortable carpeting, but there are many different flooring options to choose from. This home is also equipped with Croft windows. Croft windows are much more energy efficient and they last much longer than your standard windows. Our K-Rose 2 is built with TechShield roof decking. TechShield is an upgraded roof decking that helps keep your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip our K-Rose 2 with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and Energy Star. With the insulation package we build into this home, the TechShield roof decking, and the Croft windows we build into this home, it is incredibly energy efficient. This home can also be equipped with an energy efficient heat pump or a gas furnace depending on your needs. You will also find that this home comes with an upgraded trim package throughout the entire home. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional as well. You can select different siding, different roofing, different dormers, different flooring, different cabinets, different countertops, different paints, different appliances, and a whole lot more. This manufactured home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. As far as different options go, you can upgrade or downgrade a lot of different options to meet your budget. You can select different siding, different roofing, different flooring, different cabinets, different countertops, different walls, different appliances, different faucets, different sinks in the kitchen and the bathrooms, and there are a number of different flooring options such as laminate or tile, and there are also a number of appliance packages available as well. You can also select different exteriors to this home. You can get this home with a different roof pitch. You can add a dormer. There are different exterior features that you can select or remove on this home, or you can choose different siding options. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and your maintenance cost, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. We have seen several cases where customers that come from an older home that is poorly insulated can actually save money by getting into a new home due to their extremely high utility bills. That's right, in some cases, if you have extremely high utility bills, buying a new home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on extremely high utility bills. There are also several tax saving benefits to owning a new home that might make it also much more affordable for you to purchase a new home. Just look at this very large built-in back porch with built-in storage area. This back porch area is also an area that you can add a bedroom, a den, or even a home office. This space would also be great for a child's playroom or a baby's room right off the master suite. This is a great place for you to customize this home. It is very flexible. We have a large variety of different homes at different quality levels and different price levels at Kentucky Dream Homes. We like to say at Kentucky Dream Homes, we have a home for everyone. We will help you find the right home for you that will fit your budget. As we come around to the very large pantry, notice the extra large size and upgraded shelving. We have this home displayed with no door on the pantry. However, it does come standard with a pantry door. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible homes. As we walk through the master bedroom, notice it too is equipped with a ceiling fan with a light kit for added comfort. The master bedroom also has an exterior door walking out onto the built-in back porch. This door is optional and can be replaced with either a window or it can be closed up completely for privacy. As we move into the master bathroom, notice the luxury vinyl tile flooring. The luxury vinyl tile flooring is both more durable and it is warmer than ceramic tile flooring. This amazing master bathroom is also equipped with a large linen closet for even more great storage space. This linen closet also has upgraded shelving and lots of additional space. As we move around the bathroom, notice the extra large hand-laid tile shower. This huge shower is not only oversized, but it is also equipped with 2 shower heads and an optional see-through glass window. One of the shower heads is a rain head shower head, and the other is featured with a flexible hose. The master bath features double sinks, a large amount of counter space, and lots of cabinets for extra storage. It also features triple mirrors and lots of extra lighting. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. Our location information and our phone numbers can be located on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, freight, some state regulations, taxes, and a few other factors. As we walk around the master bathroom and continue on into the master suite, notice the incredibly large size of this closet. This closet is huge. This closet is 15 feet long and almost 6 feet wide, giving you around 90 square feet of closet space. This closet is equipped with upgraded shelving as well. There are a couple of different closet shelving options that you can choose from. The master bathtub is also very large, and there are a lot of different tub options to choose from as well. As we walk back through the master bathroom and out into the master bedroom, notice the door leading out onto the back porch. This was the area of the home that is very flexible and could be used as an office, a den, a bedroom, or you could expand the already very large master bedroom. There are a lot of different options you have with this very flexible room. If you've enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes, and for some more great home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to change about this home in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. To see more of our great home tours, just click the link on the screen now. And let us help you find your dream home. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price. We are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family. Thank you for watching.